Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix a wallpaper engine is not working. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up library, right click on the wallpaper engine properties, then go to launch options here and select ask when starting the game. And if this selected, then try to launch wallpaper engine in 64-bit if your computer is 64-bit. And if you want to check if your computer is 64-bit or not, just on search, go to system information here, and here it will be, you will see your system type here. And if this doesn't work for you, then what I suggest you to do here is to go to installed files and verify integrity of the software files. So this means maybe your wallpaper engine files is corrupted, so it will re-download files that need to be re-downloaded, or just fix your files in general. All right, and if this doesn't help, sometimes wallpaper engine is do not launch because your GPU drivers is not up to date. So what I suggest you to do here is to go to your GPU software. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is GeForce Experience for me. If you're using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon. And go to drivers and check for updates and just update your GPU because it can cause this problem, right? And after, if you update the GPU and you still wallpaper engine is not working, then you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall. Then you need to go here, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, and then just look for wallpaper engine. And wallpaper engine should be on this list, and it should be on private and public. And if you don't see wallpaper on this list, you need to then go to your Steam wallpaper engine properties, and then you need to look for installed files browse, and then you need to look for the path. So for me, as you can see here, is on disk C, program files x86, Steam apps, common, and wallpaper engine. So go back on Windows Defender Firewall, allow another app, then browse, then disk C, program files x86, then Steam apps, common, and then here should be wallpaper engine, and then you need to add an exe file, this one, right? And then it should work for you after you restart your computer, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.